This is the ZeoPedic Classic 10-inch memory foam mattress. This comes in a box with wheels, so you can roll it around pretty easy. It's pretty heavy. This is the second one of these we bought. The first one did so well. It's a 10-year warranty. Okay, this has got cellophane, a thick plastic wrap that needs to be cut open. And inside this important information, you actually need, there's a letter opener in here. It's really thick plastic, so it doesn't cut too easily. Once we get it going, it'll probably open up. Oh, it's 2 layers. No, it's actually 3 layers. Take that back. Okay, so we're in all 3 layers. So I'm gonna rotate this. Watch this thing.
Yeah, Daddy, I want to see it. Yup it. So pretty. Whoa! You did it, Daddy. You did it all yourself.
Multi-layers on it.
Daddy, come with this. You come with this, Daddy. You did it!
Yeah.
You did it, Daddy. You did it all yourself.
Just like a big pillowcase. Still a little flattened out, but this thing will probably take 10, maybe 15 minutes to acclimate. There's a zipper here where you can actually take this all the way off around the whole mattress and wash it if need be. It's got a good thick structure to it.